morning students. Today we are going to deal with science subject. Okay, from the science subject we are going to study the chapter Our Earth. We live on the earth. It is round like a huge ball. Where we live on the earth and it is like a round and like a huge ball. Okay, it has two parts, land and water. How many parts it is? Are two, and land and water. This is a globe. What is this? This is the globe. It is a model of earth. It is the model of earth. Okay, the blue part shows the water and the brown shows the land. See, you can see here the blue part. Okay, what it is? It is the water, and here you can see the brownish color, that is the land. Okay, water covers a great part of the earth. It is present in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Means water is great part on the earth, of the earth. Okay, means the earth is covered with too much water. Okay, means that is in oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. Okay, we make houses on the land. We grow food, grains, fruits, vegetables on the land. We drive cars, trains, buses, etc. on the land. What we can do on the land? We can make a house, we can grow food also, fruits also, vegetables also, and we can drive the cars, trains, buses. It is on the land. Okay, land is not even everywhere. Okay, land is not even everywhere. At some places it is flat, at some places it is high. Okay, now we will see here some landforms on the earth are as follows. Okay, see here landforms. How many? There are three landforms: mountain, hills and valley. To which we call the mountain? A very high land is called mountain. Hills, low mountains are called hills, which are short. Okay, valley, low land between two hills is called as valley. Means this is the two hills, we can call it valley. We should keep the land, air, water clean, always clean. Okay, now see the exercise. Tick the correct answer. The shape of our earth is square, rectangle, round. It is round. Okay, the blue parts on the globe shows what? Water. Match the following: low flat land, plain. What we call is plain. Low mountains, hills. Very high land, mountains. Now see here. Complete the sentence with the help of words given below. Dash is a model of the earth. Here are the answer. What will be the answer? Globe. We all live on the earth. Land is not dash everywhere, even everywhere. We should keep air, land and water clean. Understood, children? Now turn the page. Answer the following. How do we use land? We use the land to build the house, to grow the grains, vegetables and to drive the cars, trains, etc. Understood, children? Name two landforms on the earth, that is the mountains, hill and valley. Okay, what is the low land between two hills called? Valley. Name the following pictures. Okay, now these are the picture given, we have to name it properly. Okay, what is this? This is the valley, this is the globe and this is the river. Understood, children? Now think and answer. I am found in lakes, rivers and seas. Who am I? Who am I? Water. I am round like a ball. Who am I? I am the earth. Okay, understood? Now see here, tick the correct answer. Ashwin lives in a village on a hill. He helps people who forget their way. What value do you learn from Ashwin? Yes, to be helpful, honesty, punctuality. What? To be helpful. Okay, understood, children? Please study the question answer and do the practice. Have a good day. Bye bye.